And this is my sweet great niece. This is the first video that I have done about her, or the first layout I've done about her. I'm guessing by the time you see this, because it'll be late in the year where this goes up, you may have seen a live with some photos of her, but this is actually the first layout I've done. So I'm largely going to use the Echo Park Baby Girl collection, and I did this for a couple of layouts in a row where I started the putting together the layout and realized that I hadn't started the video. So I did mat her photo on that star paper, which is the Echo Park Baby Girl collection. It's the Little Lady Mobile paper. And that is what I'm going to largely use for this layout. I'll use the Echo Park Baby Girl collection. And it's either a 28 or 2019 collection. I don't remember. Or 2019 or 2020 collection. Then I also added that 3x4 cut apart, and that is from the 3x4 journaling cards from Baby Girl. And I wanted a little bit more pattern behind that, so I chose the plaid there, which is the new arrival plaid, and I like that because it does a really nice job of focusing your eye into the layout, or into the photo on that layout, that on the layout, so you really look at it. Then I was toying with a couple of different things to use to embellish, and I right away focused on that It's a Girl die cut, which is on the bottom right, which I popped up, or I'm going to pop up on some foam tape. And that is from the ephemera die cut cardstock pieces from Baby Girl. And I had some ideas about something else to use at the top left, but I decided for her very first layout, I wanted it to be really softly feminine. So I added that chipboard flower from the Chipboard Accents as well. And so I really like how that looks. And then the 3x4 card has a spot so you can put her birth certificate or birth statistics on it. All right. So now I kind of had the main things done, the main pieces there. And it's time to get her name. So anytime I do a baby book, I always start with a layout of them with their name on it as well. Sometimes I'll do the birth photo, and sometimes I'll do another photo. In this case, my niece has not given me most of her photos at this point, so she's got to take some time to get them into a folder that we share. So I'm working with some other things, and I really wanted to scrap her, so I decided to start with what I have, which is some birth photos and some other photos that she sent me along the way, or things that I took when I went to visit them, safely visit them in this particular time. All right, so now I am adding a gorgeous wood foam alpha. That is from American Crafts. It's the thickers, and it's from the Together for Christmas collection by Pink Paisley. Those are the cedar thickers. I love them so much. I think I may have bought those at Tuesday Morning, but I'm not exactly sure. But I love them so much that I went out and I found them online and bought 4 packs of them, because I'm going to use them a lot when I scrapbook these layouts. And I just love them. So then I added a little puffy sticker there that says Sweet Girl. And that is from the Baby Girl puffy stickers. They're called adhesive puffy stickers. And then from the sticker sheets, which is the element stickers from this collection, I found these 3 banners. And I'm going to take forever to get them on this layout. And there you got my hair. I was just trying to, and look at that. I went to move them, and I actually ripped the paper. So the good news is I had not actually put down the plaid paper yet. So I'm going to go back, and I have a lot of this collection because this is obviously my first layout. So I just went and I pulled another paper, and I'll use that other paper. I'll just cut off the spot where I made the mistake. So now I'm going to be a little bit more careful. Okay. So I'm just, again here, I'm having a problem because I'm trying to get the edges of the bottom edges of the banners at 3 different spots, and I just hit the camera with my head as I was trying to see that all. Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't tell you that coral paper is the Sweet Elephants paper, and you just saw the elephants on the back of it. And this is as well from the baby girl paper. All right, I'm getting really, really close here. Oh, actually, I have to get that alphabet down. Looking for puffy stickers again. Still, I want to do something at the top there. And I did find something, but it was too small. So then from the chipboard, I found this little phrase here that says baby girl. So I'm going to add that in at the top there. And then this is kind of boring, but it's getting these down. I do love how they're doing prints on the thickers now, the foam thickers. They're so much better. So much easier to work with, and you don't have to add extra glue to them all the time like you do with the chipboard thickers. And I still use the chipboard thickers. I certainly have plenty of them in my collection, but I definitely prefer these. Okay, and I did not have, her name has 3 E's in it, so I didn't have enough E's, so I just used 3's upside down. I happen to have 3 of those. Or maybe I decided I did. Actually, I think I did have 3 of them. I decided I didn't want to use all my E's immediately, so I used the 3's instead. And they're kind of fun and feminine, so I think it really works with this collection. And I believe that was before I decided. I think that was the deciding factor in getting me to go out and buy 4 packages of these, which I usually do not do. But when I'm going to do something like this, like a project where I know I'm doing her baby book, that makes sense to me to do that. Plus, I just love the alphabet. All right, I am adding in the enamel dots / adhesive shapes from the Baby Girl collection. And again, this is Echo Park Baby Girl. Just kind of deciding, adding it in white, kind of an aqua, and the darker coral color. And this one was hard. I was having a hard time trying to decide where that was going to go. It just didn't feel right to me, but I wanted 3. And then I hit on that spot and really liked it. All right, guys, there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well.